Welcome back to our blog. Today we're going to be working on this adorable elephant baby shower centerpiece, really easy to make. So let's get started. For the template, go on to our website at fancyandribbonblog.com and you can purchase there and download it. And so if you have a cutting machine, you can cut it that way, or if you don't, you can just freehand and cut it yourself. For this sample, I'm only going to use one side, but you could always do it double-sided so you don't see the straw. So I'm taking a white straw, going to glue it in the center of the clip art in the back. Okay, so I'm going to take some flowers and then I'm going to quickly take them apart. I'm also going to cut the leaves apart, and then I'm going to quickly start gluing the leaves all around the circle. And lastly, we're going to measure the stick, mark it and cut it, and then add it onto our little bouquet, and we are done, guys. I hope you guys liked this DIY. Really easy to make, like I said, and if you're interested in any of our products, feel free to contact us.